Will artificial intelligence help Apple sell more iPhones? With iPhone sales slowing down, Apple is betting big on AI to revive its smartphone dominance. But will consumers care enough to upgrade? Welcome to Trend AI Tech. Today we're diving into how Apple is looking to artificial intelligence to boost its iPhone sales, which have seen a bit of a slump lately. The iPhone 16 is expected to feature only incremental hardware updates, like faster chips and improved cameras. But the real focus? AI. With the new Apple Intelligence System, Apple hopes to revolutionize how we interact with our phones. But here's the question. Can AI really make people rush to buy the next iPhone, or is it just another overhyped feature? Let's explore how Apple plans to use AI as its secret weapon, and whether it will be enough to end the iPhone sales drought. For the past 2 years, Apple has seen declining iPhone sales, with its last major sales spike in 2021. So, what's going on? One major issue is that iPhones have become so good that people are holding onto their devices for longer than ever before. In fact, surveys show that most consumers don't see new features like AI as a compelling reason to upgrade. Another challenge: Apple's competition. Companies like Samsung are already ahead, marketing their AI-powered phones with features like advanced image recognition and personalized experiences. Apple, meanwhile, has been more conservative in its AI investments, choosing to collaborate with AI companies rather than develop groundbreaking technologies in-house. And then there's the issue of delayed features. Many of the AI capabilities announced, such as the improved Siri and custom emoji generation, won't be available until next year. So, Apple's facing an uphill battle: how to make AI the central reason to upgrade while competitors have already rolled out their AI tech. So what is Apple actually doing with AI? The new Apple Intelligence System will integrate AI across all iPhone apps. Apple's vision is to create a smarter, more personalized user experience. This includes an improved Siri that can now handle more complex requests, AI-generated messages, and even the ability to create custom emojis on the fly. Apple is also partnering with major AI players like OpenAI to bring advanced generative AI models like ChatGPT directly into iPhones. This partnership could be a game-changer, as ChatGPT is already the leader in conversational AI. But will consumers embrace this AI push? The issue is that Apple's AI features are arriving late to the game, and more importantly, some of the biggest AI upgrades won't be ready at launch. For instance, these AI capabilities will only support English initially, and major features could be delayed until next year. This slow rollout could hurt Apple's chances to capitalize on the current AI hype. Meanwhile, in places like China, one of Apple's biggest markets, sales have already stagnated. Competing with homegrown brands like Huawei and Xiaomi, Apple hasn't announced any AI partnerships in China, leaving it vulnerable to local competitors who are moving ahead with their AI integrations. One of the most exciting examples of AI's potential impact on iPhones is the integration of generative AI into everyday tasks. Imagine a world where your phone automatically generates emails, text responses, or even content like social media posts based on your preferences. Apple's vision of AI involves seamless, personalized automation, but will consumers adopt it? What's even more interesting is the partnership with OpenAI, signaling that Apple is taking AI seriously. The ability to chat with your phone in a more human-like way, thanks to ChatGPT, could transform how we interact with our devices. But here's the catch: these AI advancements aren't quite here yet, and the delay might mean Apple misses out on the initial excitement around generative AI. Despite these promising AI developments, the question remains, will AI alone be enough to push people to upgrade? So far, surveys show that only a small percentage of consumers consider AI as the main reason to buy a new phone. This is Apple's biggest challenge: getting people to see AI as an essential feature, not just a gimmick. To sum it all up, Apple is betting on AI to end its iPhone sales slump. With the launch of Apple Intelligence, the company hopes to create a more personalized and intuitive user experience. But while the potential is huge, thanks to partnerships with companies like OpenAI, the delayed features, limited language support, and tough competition from brands like Samsung and Huawei might hold Apple back. AI could revolutionize how we use our phones, but the challenge will be convincing users that these new features are worth upgrading for. Only time will tell if Apple's AI push will bring the iPhone back to the top. What do you think? Will AI convince you to upgrade to the new iPhone, or are you waiting for more significant hardware changes? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on AI and tech trends. Check out our next video for the latest insights on AI advancements in mobile technology. Make the background music inspiring.